adding up columns of figures and auto-filling across columns. As you can see in the example here on the screen, some of the totals in the table have not been calculated. This screencast will show you how to add columns of figures using the AutoSum function in Excel, and then how to quickly autofill across the columns so that all of the year's totals are calculated. Firstly, click on the Formulas tab in the bar at the top of the screen. Notice that there are some different functions here: AutoSum, recently used, etc. Initially, we want to add up the figures for total right. To do this, we need to click on the empty cell to the right of total right. You will have noticed that the second function from the left in the bar at the top of the screen is AutoSum. Click on this. The cells immediately above the one you are working in will be surrounded by a flashing border. This indicates the cells to be included in the addition. Check that they're the correct ones and then press Enter on the keyboard. You will see that the cell now has a figure in it. This figure should be 5191690. To add up the figures for the total right for the other years, click on the cell containing the total and then hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cell until you get a small black plus symbol. Once you have this, drag your cursor across the cells to the right and watch these columns add up too. Because of the way that Excel works, it has transferred the function across the cells as you drag across them. You can then go on to complete the total centre and the total left figures by doing exactly as you have done for the total right, and then auto-filling across these columns too. So click on the cell, click on AutoSum, check that they're the right figures, press Enter on the keyboard, click on the cell, hover over the little square in the corner until you get the plus sign, then drag across. Again for total left, click on the cell where you want the number to appear, click on AutoSum, check that it's highlighting the right figures, press Enter on the keyboard, click back on the sum, and then autofill across. That completes the first exercise.